Welcome back everyone, another episode of Prado 150 out of here. We are up at the top of Mt Wellington and it's blowing a gale.
It's cold!
And we've got we had to find all our warm clothes in the car. Fortunately we brought them. So we'll go and have a look and see what the view is. I think last time we came here, Shelley, was snowing, I think, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, that was
before,
a little bit,
before
yes.
we did YouTube.
Yeah, it was
Wish
when
I had done YouTube back then.
Yeah, that was like 15 years ago.
Way, the camera's blown away here.
Yeah.
Oh well, we'll go and have a look. It's freezing.
I just like you to see that I have a skirt on.
Just don't want to drop my camera, eh?
Sorry, I'm just recording.
Well, we braved the cold, windy weather. Mt Wellington. Now we're going to go and look for some
What was it?
some warm food.
Mt Wellington.
Yeah. Got to show a bit of oomph, you know. Anyway, it's nice and warm in the car now. Head down the big hill.
Well, I nearly got blown off this big hill.
I reckon.
Good timing.
Oh my goodness, what have you got?
I know, loaded fries and arancini balls.
Oh. Perfect, nice. Awesome. Well, everyone, cheers to Tasmania. How good is that? We've got some hot chips coming as well. How good is this, eh?
I was like, what? I guess because I was really at our
Well, I've just dropped Shelley to her dialysis at Hobart, so while she's there, she always says go and enjoy something while I'm there because it's boring sitting there, which it might be. Occasionally I'll sit with her for the whole time just to give her a bit of company, but she likes watching Netflix or something to that effect or whatever, so she's got plenty to do. Give her a bit of alone time, I suppose. Not the best way to be doing that though. Anyway, I found this place called Myrtle Falls, so I'm just walking up to it now, and I'll go and check it out and see what it's like. Might even be able to fly the drone. No, just making sure. This is bushfire season. Anyway, so apparently it's a 13-minute walk up here, so we'll go and check it out, eh? It's not clearly signed at all. There's no signs at all to these falls. I just happened to meet some people coming out of one of these tracks, which I guess could be the track. There's about 3 or 4 different ones to choose from. So according to them, this is the right track, and we'll go and have a look. You know, we were here 6 years ago, and we just bought the Prado. Can you believe it? We bought it from Mackay, and we drove it straight down to Tasmania within a week of buying it. Stock standard Prado. Oh, we put a roof rack on it, and it had the Prado alloy rhubar. Can you believe it? Not even a winch, nothing. And back then I was probably getting about 8 or 9 litres per 100 k's. Not like the old 12 or 13 I got now. Anyway, I think this is the right track, so I'll keep walking. What you do to get a good video, eh? Here we go, I'm in the shot. What a beautiful little space here. I thought there would be quite a bit more water, judging from the photos. I did bring my swimmers and a towel just in case. Nonetheless, I don't know if you guys like a bit of a waterfall, a bit of trickling water. It's absolutely beautiful. Can't buy anyway, I know that much. Nice fresh water. It's just really nice. I say it's coming down from Mt Wellington, which is further up the top where we were earlier on today. So anyway, I'm going to start heading back to the car. I'll try not to slip over this time. There we go, made it. Bye.